Once touted as an NRL star, Jamil Hopoate now faces the prospect of life behind bars, charged over a huge cocaine ring. The 26-year-old was arrested following a wild chase just moments after allegedly going to get the drugs, unaware police were on his tail.
Jamil Hopoate and Mafoa are as thick as thieves, so thick, police allege, that together they grabbed a heap of what they thought was cocaine right in front of organised crime detectives. It happened yesterday morning at Pagewood. Zachary Biardi was arrested at Macquarie Fields.
They're all going to be charged with large commercial drug supply.
Investigators were monitoring a half-ton shipment from the UK. Under surveillance, a van full of it, which police say Hopoate and Mafoa accessed. When police jumped them, the 33-year-old mother is accused of fleeing in this van before crashing it, Hopoate of running away.
Was chased by the police. In the course of that chase, he threw a backpack and was tackled by police and arrested.
It's alleged the backpack contained 8 kilograms, not of cocaine, but a harmless substance, after police had made a switch. Hopoate's famous footballing family supported him in court today, father John and brother, Bulldogs player and devout Mormon, Will.
Well, can I gauge your reaction to the arrest of Jamil?
Jamil Hopoate sobbed in the dock as he waved at his daughter. His brother Will offered $50,000 surety to secure his freedom. Their lawyer arguing because no actual cocaine was found on them, no offence known by the law had been committed.
The magistrate denied bail.
We do intend to take it to the Supreme Court.
Hopoate was let go by the Broncos last season before a conviction for beating up his partner. "Grateful for what I do," he wrote early last year, "would be more grateful if I was on better coin." Robert Ovadia, 7 News.